Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all weight loss sandwich recipes with the help of which you'll be able to lose 3 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now all these recipes are super easy to prepare and as well as high in protein, fiber and probiotics. Now recently my lots of clients followed these recipes for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening for themselves along with personalized weight loss diet plans curated by me. Here are few of the testimonials that I'm sharing with you. And for personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and get fit before the summers hit. So without any delay, let's get started with weight loss sandwich recipes with the help of which you'll be able to lose 3 kgs in 7 days super easily. So the first recipe is Houseful Club Sandwich. Now as the name suggests, it contains lots and lots of good amount of fiber, veggies and as well as super delicious to have. So what I'm doing here is that in a bowl I'm adding cucumber, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, capsicum. Along with this I'm adding corns. Now these are boiled corns. You can use raw corns as well. Along with this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Now you can use hunkered also in the place of Greek yogurt. And for seasoning I'll be adding here freshly crushed black pepper, freshly crushed pink Himalayan salt. And now all you have to do is just mix it all well. Now in 2 slices of multigrain bread, I'll be adding lots and lots of iceberg lettuce. You can use normal romaine lettuce as well. Add good amount of it for the fiber. And to this I'll be adding the mixture that we prepared for the sandwich. You can have the sandwich raw as well, but I like to always grill my sandwiches. So I'll be grilling it out and you can see how beautiful the sandwich looks. High in fiber, good amount of fats, probiotic and definitely very fulfilling as well. Have it along with cup of green tea or chamomile tea or black tea or black coffee and enjoy your Houseful Club sandwich. And the second recipe which I like to call is Healthy Indian Pizza. Now this definitely is one of the topmost recipes that my clients love to have and they taste amazing as well. So what I am doing here is in a bowl I'll be adding approximately 6 teaspoons of suji. And to this I'll be adding again Greek yogurt. You can use hunkered also or you can use normal curd also. And to this I'll be adding red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, green capsicum, crushing out pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder, and then I'll be adding in some water to blend it all up. You can form it into a good paste until you see this consistency. Now in a pan I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And I'll be toasting my bread slice up. After toasting it, I'll be applying the batter on this side and spreading it all well. Now once it is all spreaded well, flip it over. Don't worry, the mixture will not stick to the pan because of curd. Let it toast properly and then you see this beautiful Indian pizza. Super easy, super yummy to prepare and trust me, so colorful that your kids will also love having this. You can even add Parmesan cheese or sprinkle some nutritional yeast over it for good vitamin B12 and B6 and for a cheesy texture as well. You can have up to 2 healthy Indian pizzas whenever you're having this for your meal and enjoy it well. Now let's proceed towards our third recipe for healthy, delicious sandwich. Now I'll be preparing here spinach and corn sandwich. Super easy, super yummy to prepare and even great weight loss properties as well. So what I am doing here is to prepare this sandwich. In a pan, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil. To this, I'll be adding spinach leaves. And along with this, I'm adding some corns. Now these are not boiled corns. They're normally frozen corns that I'm using here. Keep mixing it all well. And to this, I'll be adding here pink Himalayan salt, grinding it out. And along with this, I'll be adding here black pepper powder. Mix it all well properly until you see that the quantity of spinach is actually reduced to a greater level. And now to 1 slice of bread I'll be adding here Greek yogurt, spreading it all well properly at 1 slice. And to this I'll be adding the mixture that we prepared of spinach and corn. Just properly spread it out and I'll be grilling the sandwich up. This sandwich tastes yum when you grill it out, so make sure to grill the sandwich. And ready is your spinach corn sandwich. Super yummy, super easy to prepare. Have it along with mustard sauce or mint chutney and enjoy your sandwich. Now the next sandwich recipe is for all those who need a quick fix for their hunger and as well as to prepare their breakfast, lunch or dinner in only 2 minutes. Now this sandwich recipe is high in protein and definitely tastes yum in each and every manner, high in potassium also, and relieves your constipation super quickly. Now what I'm doing here is that I'll be requiring one banana, that is I've chopped the banana, and along with this I'm using Pintola peanut butter. Now this is not sponsored in any manner, so I love this peanut butter because of the creamy texture and it is unsweetened. And the best part is that it's only made of roasted peanuts and no ingredient else. So what I'm doing here is, in one slice of multigrain toast, I'll be adding this peanut butter, spread it properly, and over this I'll be adding my banana, that is chopped banana that I've used here. You can use one whole banana for one sandwich, and you can have this sandwich just like that, or as I told you, I like my sandwiches grilled, so I'll be grilling it up. And here is your grilled high protein peanut butter sandwich. Now this sandwich tastes yum. You can carry it anywhere with you and tastes amazing in each and every manner, and also a great substitute for your sugar cravings as well. Now here are the delicious weight loss sandwich recipes with the help of which you'll be able to lose 3 kgs in 7 days super easily and super quickly. Try using multigrain bread or sour bread for these sandwiches only, and not white bread or brown bread. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena. And I'll be more than happy to revert back to you in each and every manner that I can. You can follow these sandwich recipes in breakfast, lunch or dinner as per your own availability or meal prep ideas, or how your schedule allows you to follow it. And do not forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to get notified about my diet plans, weight loss recipes and client transformation results. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.